All right, I'm out here at Fort Hunt, Virginia, just south of Washington, D.C. Gonna do a fall weather bash here on my Axial Score trophy truck. I'm running a Hobby Wing 4000 kV setup, running on 2S. I have a Gens Ace 100C pack in there. Just gonna blast around the leaves a little bit, see what the truck's capable of. If you'd like to see a full build video, I have one on YouTube. Take a look. Real fun kit. This is the kit version, not the ready to run. Running the Pro Line F-150 body. Let's see what it can do.